Imagine hurtling down a highway at 70 miles per hour, your hands not on the wheel but folded in your lap. Outside, scenery whizzes by in a blur of greens and grays. You're not paying attention to the road. Instead, you're immersed in the latest episode of your favorite podcast. This isn't futuristic fantasy. It's a reality brought closer each day by Tesla's trailblazing AI technology. The automobile, since its inception, has undergone transformations that mirror the technological advancements of each era. From the steam-powered carriages of the 18th century to the gas-powered engines of the 20th century, each iteration has brought us closer to a more efficient, safer driving experience. Now, in the 21st century, the key player is not just the vehicle itself, but the intelligence it harbors, artificial intelligence. The stark contrast between the past and present of automotive technology is visually striking. While early cars were mechanical marvels of their time, today's vehicles are complex digital systems on wheels, with Tesla at the forefront of this revolution. Notably, it's their commitment to AI that sets them apart, promising a future where cars are not only autonomous, but are safer and more efficient than ever. Traditional driving systems, reliant on human senses and reactions, are inherently limited. Human drivers, despite their experience, can become distracted, tired, or impaired, often leading to accidents. Even the most advanced non-AI systems, like cruise control or basic auto braking, operate under strict limitations and lack the capability to adapt to dynamic road environments in real time. This image captures a dense, complex road situation where multiple split-second decisions are necessary. Challenges like these highlight the limitations of human reaction times and decision-making under stress, areas where AI can significantly improve safety and efficiency. Tesla's AI, the power of neural networks. Tesla's approach to automotive AI leverages neural networks, a form of artificial intelligence inspired by the human brain's architecture. These networks are capable of learning and improving over time, allowing Tesla's vehicles to execute complex driving maneuvers more accurately than a human driver could. Tesla collects vast amounts of data from its fleet of vehicles on the road, continuously feeding this information back into its AI systems to enhance their decision-making processes. Here, the complex interconnectivity of Tesla's neural network is illustrated. It shows how data from various sensors and cameras is used to make split-second driving decisions, a system that improves with every mile driven, adapting to real-world conditions with unparalleled precision. AI triumphs, case studies over human skills. There have been multiple instances where Tesla's AI-driven system has outperformed human drivers. One particularly noteworthy case involved a Tesla car predicting a highway collision seconds before it occurred, automatically adjusting the vehicle's position to avoid an accident, a feat a human driver is less likely to achieve because of slower reaction times. In this dramatic moment, the Tesla vehicle performs an evasive maneuver that likely prevented a severe accident. This example not only highlights the potential of AI in enhancing safety, but also showcases its ability to anticipate and react to complex scenarios faster than a human could. The future of AI in automotive industry. Looking ahead, the impact of AI in the automotive industry is poised to be transformative. As AI systems continue to learn and evolve, their integration into daily transportation is expected not only to enhance vehicle safety, but also to revolutionize the entire driving experience. Environmental impacts, traffic management, and even urban planning could see significant changes as AI-powered vehicles become more prevalent. This futuristic depiction of a city optimized for AI-driven vehicles illustrates a world where traffic flows smoothly and streets are safer. Here, the synergy between urban environment and advanced automotive technology paves the way for a more sustainable, efficient urban future. In conclusion, Tesla's foray into AI-driven automotive technology isn't merely an upgrade, it's a redefinition of what vehicles can do. The implications extend beyond individual safety or convenience, heralding a shift in how we conceive of and interact with our vehicles. As AI continues to outpace human driving skills, the dawn of this new era isn't just inevitable, it's already here.